Hello everybody. So we have a very interesting case here where we have some white discoloration coming from the nail root, a lot of destruction of the nail plate. Suspected is a fungal infection. I'll have a look once I remove it if I'm going to send this off to just a PCR biopsy. So I'm going to just gently remove the nail on this side. I've numbed it. Obviously you can't do this without being numbed. So we just go like that. Just very gently go in. Don't go all the way down to the root because you irritate the nail root, and just lift it up and then slide it across. Difficult to slide across. I need to go into here. And then what I want to do then is just push this back. So you can see how far down. Yeah, that white. It's really far down, isn't it? Because you've been on terbinafine for a couple of months, haven't you? 6 months, and it hasn't cleared. Some nails just needs to be removed, okay? So push that back. Let's see if I can remove it. Now, I've loosened it up. I want to grip it. See what's happening underneath there. Twist it, pull it all the way out. Okay, so we can see that was all the way in there. There's some clear root, but what I can see is there's still some fungus on the side. So that's a good sign. There's nothing abnormal in terms of abnormality. There's nothing much going on. So then we're going to send it off to PCR and culture, because ultimately, if terbinafine hasn't worked, what's the organism? What we do is just really want to clean all of that out. Get rid of all of that, because that's where the fungus is lurking underneath. Let's have a look. Might do a 15K for that. So let's just see what's going on here. Kind of stubborn bit, isn't it? It's really in the root of the nail. Grab it, twist. And nail. It may be that the nail may split, because this is, we'll see, this was like that. Didn't really, we'll see. Your nail might grow back with a split in it. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So we're just going to irrigate the nail root with some antiseptic. Just clean that all there. So it's in there. So that's the indent of where it came from. I just need to just have a look. There's a bit of debris here, which I want to take out. Just going to remove that. I'm happy with that procedure. Well, like I said, I've already removed 8, so I'm totally wound up. It's a dressing. Got some gauze there. Wrap it down. I'll do another one. Yeah. Excellent.